Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring network and account basics are correct because many Play Store failures are environmental. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If not, switch networks. Next, confirm device date and time and that your Google account is signed in. Once done, go to Settings, force stop Google Play Store, clear cache, and reopen it. These quick actions remove corrupted temporary data and often restore normal behavior without deeper fixes. Now tackle the middle steps that fix persistent issues. Update Google Play Store and Google Play services. If updates fail, uninstall updates and reinstall them because mismatched versions cause errors. Then clear data, not just cache, for Play Store, Play services, and Download Manager to reset settings and queues. Also inspect storage. Low space blocks installs, so free at least 500 megabytes to 1 gigabyte. After completing these steps, reboot the device to ensure services start cleanly, and try the Play Store again. To finish, sign out of your Google account and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. If that fails, remove the account entirely and re-add it because credentials sometimes corrupt. Then attempt installs or updates and note any error codes displayed. They point to targeted fixes. If everything else fails and you've backed up data, perform a factory reset as a last resort. It clears deep configuration issues. One tip: when stuck, take a screenshot of error codes and search them precisely to save time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.